Hello everyone, today is day 51 of solving a LeetCode problem every day, and today I'm going to be solving reverse words in a string. So given an input string S, reverse the order of the words. A word is defined as a sequence of non-space characters. The words in S will be separated by at least one space. Return a string of the words in reverse order concatenated by a single space. Note that S may contain leading or trailing spaces or multiple spaces between two words. The returned string should only have a single space separating the words. Do not include any extra spaces. So the general way I'm going to solve this problem is I'm going to split the given string into an array. I'm then going to filter through that array and check to see if there are any empty spaces that we basically need to remove from that array. And then once we do that, we can just iterate through that array in reverse, build a string, and output it. So to start, we can say word list is equal to s.split. But if I print this word list and run this, so for example, for this example right here, we can see that we have these random spaces that we don't really need or care for. So what we can do is I found this cool little trick in Python. We create a list and then we filter. What we can do is create a lambda function so basically we filter through this word list right here and we output a new list. And what we're doing is for each item within this list, we make sure that it's not equal to this. If it is equal to this, it gets taken out of the array. So if I print new list now and run this, we see that there are no more random spaces that we don't need. So now it's as simple as just creating this output string and looping through this array in reverse. So for in range of length new list, then -1, -1. So we add that -1 step, but I also do have to subtract this by 1. And then we can just say out plus equals new list I. So we add in that we add the current word. And then what we're also going to do is, so if I print this current output out for I in range, if I print out this current output, we see that there are no spaces in between. And it is looking for spaces. So what we can do is add the space right here. But then what we end up noticing is it doesn't show it here, but there's actually an extra, so there's like an extra space right here. And we actually want to remove the space. So what we can say is if I is equal to 0, or if I does not equal 0, then only in that case will we add a space to the string. So if I run this now, it seems like we're still getting a problem. So let's see. Oh, it's because we need to return the output. So if I run this, submit this, it worked. So the time complexity of this is going to be O of n, since we're just processing each character a linear amount of times. And then for space complexity, that's also going to be linear. So yeah, that's my solution for the day.